Today in this session, we are going to discuss about the difference between the stack and heap memory in Java. First of all, we will discuss the stack memory. Stack memory is the area of a memory that was assigned to every individual thread. We can say that every program in a running state is actually a thread. Okay, so in stack memory, it is stored the variables. Okay, it is stored the local variables. You can say references to the objects and the partial results. Now here we will see that we will see this thing practically also in the same session. So we call it a stack memory allocation because the allocation happens in the function call stack. Means whenever the functions are called, it maintains a stack, and your allocation happens in that function called stack. The size of the memory to be allocated, the size of the memory to be allocated by the stack is known to the compiler, and whenever a function is called, okay, first of all, it is known to the compiler that how much memory it is going to allocate. Second thing is that whenever a function is called, its variable gets memory allocated on the stack, and whenever the function call is over, the memory for the variables is deallocated. Okay, so we will see this thing practically also, but first of all, now let me cover the heap memory also. Now, why heap memory is called a heap? Because it is a pile of memory space. Means you can say that everything is stored in the, you can say, heap memory. Okay, so you can say it is available to the programmers to allocate and delocate. Means whenever they want to allocate some memory, they are going to use the heap memory, and whenever they want to deallocate, so it is a frequently using, you can say, memory here. Whenever we create an object, it's always created in the heap space. Okay, and mainly we create the object with the help of new keyword, and the references to these objects, whichever we are creating in the heap, is always stored in the stack memory. So it is mostly required during the runtime of the program. Okay, so this is heap memory. Now we will see the practical thing. This is my program. In this program, I have written a main function. In the main function, I'm creating an array of 10 size, and I'm creating you can say, a local variable here, array. Okay, then I have a print array function which is taking a integer as a array as a parameter, and in the for loop, I have written a code, int I is a variable, and then I have created a, you can say, ARL variable here. So you will see that how in this program memory will be allocated. So this is the blue portion, the dark blue portion is my heap memory, and the stack memory is the blue one, the light blue one also. Okay, so now we'll see that. First of all, you will see that in this my you can say program, there will be a, in the stack there will be a main you can say function call stack. Means for every function call stack, we have a, you can say, memory stack in the stack memory. So we have two functions, one is main function and one is a print array. So it means in the stack memory there will be a two stack for the main function and for the print array. Now you can say that in the main function we have created a object and we have created a array variable. So now the thing is that array variable, this array reference variable will be created in the stack memory of the main call stack, and now it will create an object. This new int object will be created in the heap memory. Okay, now what will happen, this array is going to point the heap memory. So as I told you, then the stack memory mainly we store the local variables or the references. So here we have created the local variable ARR, which is going to work as a reference to the object, this one new term. Okay, now in the print array we can see that we have again you can say print array function, we have two variables, int I and the ARRs. So here you can say that these are created in the print array, and now this I is going to make a loop on that, so I will also point to the same object. So in this way you can say that, in short, you can say that, you can simply say that in the stack memory we always store the local variables, we store the references to the object, and it is stored the partial result of the function, and in the heap, other than that, everything is stored in the heap. Now I hope you got the understanding on the what is the heap and a stack memory and what is the difference between them. So if you still have any doubt, you can put your doubt in the comment of this video, and don't click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.